Okay, we will save this one as number 6. This will be a blank one to start with. Now we're going to use the AND operator, which shows us the range. So if score is greater than equals to 90, and the AND operator here looks similar to that of Java and C#, score less than equals to 100, print A. Else if score is greater than equals to 80, print B. So here it checks to see in which criteria the score will fall under, and then we'll display the output accordingly. So since 78 is greater than equals to 70 but less than equals to 80, therefore it falls under the C criteria. So this is the same code that you have seen in other languages, so that's why we're not explaining it as much as you would like to hear it. Okay. Now we will nest this if condition in another if condition. So right now, if I put a score of 178, it still regards it as an F because, oh, it's a B because it falls under greater than equals to 80, of course, yeah. Because it will going to go to the second condition because second condition doesn't has an end cap. So either way, it gives me a logical error. So it fails, this condition fails. Second condition is true because 178 is greater than equals to 80. So therefore, the output comes out to be B. Now, if I enclose it in an if condition, if score has to be greater than equals to 0 and score has to be less than equals to 100 in order for score to qualify in this range. Otherwise, we'll simply display the output invalid score. Now that we are checking in this if condition, which is making sure that the grade is between 0 and the score is between 0 and 100, we do not need to check the condition again over here because when the value comes this far, it is already less than or equals to 100. We just want to make sure that it falls between 90 and 100. So now when I refresh, it says invalid score. But if I switch it back to a valid value, then it gives me the correct letter grade.